everybody, my name is Tay, or TayZ33 on Instagram. This is my 350Z. Shynumber recently reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their new Graphene Ceramic Spray. So we're gonna try it out today and see what it's all about. Having a black cart is so hard to keep clean, especially when I'm about to roll up to a meet and I forgot to wash it. So I'm so excited to try out this product. First thing we're gonna do is spray the product in a clean microfiber. Next, we're gonna fully cover the surface of the cart and we're gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. After letting it sit for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna buff out the rest of the clean microfiber and give it about 4 hours to cure. Honestly, 10 out of 10. The paint looks beautiful and I can't wait to try this out at shows and meets.